my channel. I'm Hema from Hemas Valnut. Today's recipe I'm going to show you how to prepare egg biryani in Indian style. Let's start to prepare egg biryani. In heavy bottom vessel, add 4 tablespoons of ghee and 4 tablespoons of oil. When oil gets heated, add 2 cinnamon sticks. Now take 2 bay leaves and make into 4 pieces and then add into the oil. And then add 4 cardamom. I'm gonna add half tablespoon of jeera and 1.5 tablespoon of fennel seeds into the oil. Add 2 finely chopped onions into the oil for deep fry until it turns golden brown. Meanwhile, in a mixer jar, add handful of coriander leaves and 10 garlic to the mixer, and then 15 ginger pieces and 3 green chilies and handful of pudina leaves into the jar. I have added finely chopped tomato into the vessel and fried it for 2 minutes, and then added finely pasted green chutney which have been shown before. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of salt and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of dhania powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 1 tablespoon of biryani masala and mix it well. Add 3 to 4 cups of coconut milk and mix it well. As I have soaked 3 glasses of basmati rice before, now I'm gonna add 5 glasses of water. Because to maintain the consistency, I have added coconut milk earlier, so I'm gonna add 5 glasses of water. And next add the boiled egg and then add the basmati rice to the consistency, and then close the vessel for 45 minutes. In the middle, you have to stir the rice continuously and check whether the rice is boiled or not. Now you can see the egg biryani is ready. Add coriander leaves upon the biryani and see how it looks so good. Delicious and tasty egg biryani is ready. Thanks for watching.